As a CIDG director, many were inviting you, but it does not mean na yung kasama ko doon sa picture kilala ko. We are just like politicians. Anybody can take a
No,
picture
we-
with us, sir.
General Karamat, ang sinasabi lang namin kanina.
I didn't sit
Wait,
at
wait,
our
wait,
table, sir.
wait. I'm still talking, you know?
Yes, sir.
Ang sinasabi lang, tinatanong ko lang, kung may kanina, tinatanong ko kung may kilala ka. Ang sabi ko, kaya nga pinakikita ko sa yung picture, ngayon nare-recall mo na siya.
Yes, sir.
O yan. O, di na-recall mo na, kilala mo na, that's it.
Anyway, as you mentioned, General Karamat, you were installed as a CIDG chief. That was January. Tama? January 1.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, tapos nag-leave ka because you're abroad, sabi mo.
No, my leave 2024 already, sir. Yung lead ni Colonel Buyakaw, sir. Let me clarify, sir, para hindi tayo nagkakagulo dito,
Hindi,
sir.
magulo talaga kasi yung sagot mo kanina, you just leave because of that. You didn't know that operation because you're on leave. Diba?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Oh, that was February.
No. That's
When?
a different operation, sir.
Hindi,
Dalawang operation tayo
yung
dito, sir.
time ni, ano lang, ni Alejandro, na operation.
Okay, sir.
You're on leave or not?
No, sir.
Oh, so, alam mo.
Yes, sir. Because actually,
Hindi,
sir,
yes or no lang muna,
I personally know the operation, sir.
Sandali po.
Because,
Yes or
sir.
no lang muna.
Yes, sir.
Oh, do you know the operation of Colonel Alejandro?
Because I was the one who approved the said operation, sir.
Okay, you approve now.
Yes, sir.
How long is Colonel Alejandro as the RFU of?
Nadatnan ko na lang siya po, sir, sa RFU 3 when I was assigned as the Director of Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, sir.
Kaya nga that is why I'm asking you now. How
Yeah.
long did Colonel Alejandro stayed? Kasi sagot mo kanina, routinary, di ba? Di ba sagot mo kanina, routinary?
Yes, sir.
Oh, kasi ang sagot mo, routinary at saka trust and confidence.
Yes, sir.
Oh, now.
That's correct, sir.
Ang tanong ko nga, when was Colonel Alejandrino assigned as Region 3 Chief? Ay, sagot mo kanina, routinary. Then, trust and confidence.
According to my staff, sir, he was assigned there as a regional chief of CIDG in Region 3 for 6 months, sir.
Oh, 6 months. Oh, kita mo. 6 months before his relief.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Oh, kita mo 6 months? Hindi, pwede yan. Kung talagang promotional purposes, kasi full colonel na siya eh. Di ba, kailangan niya kumuha ng, kung nasa linya sa, pwede kukunin yung entry, di ba? Now, but the question is just 6 months now. Okay, routinary, medyo malabo. Next is trust and confidence. Nakaupo ka, alam mo yung operation niya, successful ang operation niya. Is it not trust and confidence with regards to your trust?
As
To
I-
Colonel Alejandro?
As I said before, sir, before the operation conducted by Colonel Alejandro, which was personally approved by me, he was informed already of the
Yeah.
impending reshuffle.
And alam ko yon.
Yes, sir.
Alam ko yon. But ang sinasabi mo is he was informed. But now, ang basis mo is routinary. Hindi pwede, 6 months. Second is trust and confidence. He was informed, but this operation is successful. And during routinary, special operation, question of trust and confidence, you don't have trust and confidence to a police colonel that has just operated successfully against Pogo?
As I said, there is no connection to the operation
Hindi
of
nga eh.
Pogo, why
Mr. Chairman,
Colonel Alejandro was relieved.
Of course, that is your excuse or your defense. But ako, Colonel, kahit siguro mga kasapi dito, members dito, and even the public now, monitoring us, may cloud of doubt. Pasensya na po, the back of my mind is, it is not all about routinary and question of trust and confidence. Kasi routinary, malabo. Trust and confidence, magandang performance, successful yung operation. So, that's what you're telling us na na-inform. Pero kahit na-inform mo magaling palang bata to eh. Di ba? Kaya, Mr. Chairman, yung doubt, personally, yun din siguro yung mga nasa isip ng mga members dito, ay yung dapat, Mr. Chairman, ang dapat ayusin natin sa organisasyon ng pulis. Kasi laging bata-bata. It is not based on performance. Kasi yung trust and confidence yan is precisely bata-bata. Whether the organization or the officers in front of us will admit, but that is now the normal practice in the police organization. and we want to check it. Kaya ayusin natin yan. But of course, I respect what the defense of General Karamat. But sabi ko na nga, this is all about investigation in aid of legislation at yung puntong yun, nangyayari yan kahit saan. This is not only happening with the CIDG, this is happening all over the country. Yung question of trust and confidence na equals bata-bata. Kaya nga nililipat yung mga taga-probinsya, papunta dito, kasi yung mga boss nila dati is nakasign na sa mga juicy at saka strategic position dito ngayon. At kailangan pa namin doon sa probinsya. Kasi nga, bata. Bata nang nakaupo. And again, Mr. Chairman, lastly, gusto ko lang ulitin, no? Maybe the committee report, maliban doon sa dito, sa Pogo, at saka doon sa mga previous investigation na ginawa natin, we should put that and doon sa committee report natin, dapat may legislative action that will be undertaken with this under this committee, Mr. Chairman.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Before I yield back again kay Congressman Busita, I will be recognizing you for a brief interjection. But may question lang kay General Karamat. General Karamat, last na, baka makalimutan ko lang. General Karamat, kaprasa na lang, Chairman ako, pasensya ka na. General Karamat, may kilala ka bang JP Samson, yung may-ari ng West Cars, ng yung dinala kay Alice Go?
I cannot remember, sir. Hindi ko ma-recall kung may kilala kong JP Samson, but as far as I know, wala akong kakilala, sir.
General Karamat, you're under oath,
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you. I'll be showing you a picture of John Patrick Samson and you together. But pictures, hindi naman magsasabi yan na meron kang involvement. But what I'm trying to say is kilala mo.
That
I will
picture-
send it to you, General
Yes,
Karamat.
sir. Yes, sir.
Because
I could answer that,
what
sir.
we wanted is to ferret out the truth. And I
I could
will
answer
try to
that.
give it to you for you to find out kung nare-recall mo yung si John Patrick Samson. Si John Patrick Samson is the owner of the West Cars that was used by Alice Go doon sa kanyang mga sa Pogo, doon sa kanya sa Banban. And that's the reason why I'm asking you, I'm just testing you kung kilala mo. Tapos sinasabi mo hindi mo siya ma-recall. But now, are you going to tell us that you can recall him already?
Not all, Mr. Chairman, sir. As a CIDG director, many were inviting you, but it does not mean na yung kasama ko doon sa picture kilala ko. We are just like politicians. Anybody can take a picture with us, sir.
General Karamat, we are not trying to tell you that you have involvement. Ang sinasabi lang namin kanina.
I didn't say that I was involved, sir.
Wait. I'm still talking, you know?
Yes, sir.
Ang sinasabi lang, tinatanong ko lang, kung may kilala ka. Sabi ko, kaya nga pinakikita ko sa yung picture, ngayon nare-recall mo na siya.
Yes, sir.
O yan. O di na-recall mo na, kilala mo na, that's it.
I just met him in one of the occasions, sir, but
Okay.
I do not know him personally, sir.
You don't know him personally.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is one of the occasions that you have
Yes, sir.
be with him.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Wala naman po kami sinasabing iba dito eh. Ang tinatanong ko lang kung may kilala kayong JP Samson.
Your question is kung kilala ko, sir. I cannot recall, sir, dahil sa dami ng nakikilala
Kaya
ko,
nga,
sir.
and
Hindi
then I
cannot
answer
recall
back.
their name
General
already,
Karamat,
sir.
wait. Then I answer back. Then I said, pakikita ko para at least ma-recall mo. Okay? So picture, sasabi na na-encounter mo siya. And that's the reason why we will be inviting over also John Patrick Samson, yung pong owner ng West Car high-end, para malaman po natin yung mga sinasabi natin lahat dito.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Leo Baduyan, kahit kailan ang pulis ay hindi dapat pagkatiwalaan, buwagin na ang PNP at hayaan ng militar ang mag-take over. Pahayag naman ni Alexander Rubio, nagkakabistuhan na, marami talagang protector ang Pogo, politiko, mayor, governor, presidente, congressman, senator at isa na dito itong si General Car Amit. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Reynaldo Mejia, imbestigahan si General para hindi pa marisan. That is not coincident, imposible at hindi ka panipaniwala ang mga sinasabi mo. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.